My name is Matthew, M-A-T-T-H-E-W, Javinet, J-A-V-I-N-E-T-T. I'm with the Hoover Fire Department, Assistant Chief. Yeah, so at approximately 7:50, we received a call for a structure fire well involved at this address. We arrived on scene and did find a one-story residential building with heavy fire showing in the structure as well as in the backyard. We have a very large tree in the backyard that's also on fire, and we're just trying to keep people safe, keep that tree from falling, put the tree out, and get the house extinguished.
Is there any other information that
Yeah, we don't know at this time. That the occupants were not at home at the time. There was one animal. When the occupants arrived on the scene, they were able to get the animal out of the house safely. So there's no injuries to civilians, no injuries to firefighters at this time, and we're just working to keep the fire contained.
Can you tell us about the response? You guys response time. Maybe this is unincorporated.
It is in unincorporated Jefferson County. We've got approximately 18 firefighters on the scene. We did have a little bit of an extended response time just from the distance from the city. So we were able to get out here and make some good headway on the fire pretty quickly, so we're happy with that. All right.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.